Hey everyone, it's Derpy. Derpy's alive. Derpy's alive. We got to burp the coolant system, and it has a slight misfire because the timing is slightly off. But she's alive. What's even better? That's actually dry, it's not really wet. The only wetness, the only wet part is this, from me dropping some coolant on the ground. See right there. Other than that, she runs beautifully. Check it out. Almost out of fuel, really good on the oil pressure. We're good on temperature, good on voltage. 196,826 miles. Yeah, she's running beautifully.